Hello plant friends, I'm Jayson and welcome to the Plant Prince PH, the YouTube channel that join you on your journey on collecting succulents. For more content just like this, make sure you hit the subscribe button so that you're the first to be notified when there are new videos released. Today, we're just gonna do a quick video showing you my plant haul of ascleps. Recently, I've been fascinated with this succulent that produces amazing 5-petaled flowers that looks like a starfish. The diversity in shape, color, size, and smell attracts me to collect and grow this group, which are mostly found scattered on Africa. This package arrived 3 days after shipping. This plant mail was sent by Sir Paul Pinto. If you want to have rare and uncommon stinkies, you may contact him on Facebook. He'll give you a list to choose from. The stinkies were packed safely and comes with a name tag. He was also generous to give me a free plant and advise me on how to take care of these plants. If you're interested with ascleps, you may join the group on Facebook. I'll put the link in the description below. Anyway, let's get started. I'll be putting the name and picture at the right corner of the screen. Enjoy the rest of the video. Thank you guys for watching. Leave a comment below if you have any question or suggestion. Don't forget to like and share the video and subscribe to my channel. Bye guys!